Hey guys, welcome to video number 3. I just woke up and just thought about this for another thing that can make you happy. So I have this tongue cleaner. So are you sick and tired of actually taking your toothbrush and brushing it like just to get rid of those white stuff on your teeth, on your tongue, and that nasty bacteria where you just woke up? Where this solution is a tongue cleaner that I actually learned from my fiance. You can get it from Amazon for maybe $1.50, and I'll show you actually how effective it is. So first, you just go on your back of your tongue and scrape. See how disgusting this stuff is? Let me zoom into the camera for you. That is some nasty stuff. And keep going until you have nothing left. And there you go. Your tongue should be nice and clean. And as an added bonus, when you're actually brushing teeth at night, I have this water flosser over here where you can set your amount of pressure that you want, and it takes out all this plaque and everything, so you don't have to use those little stringy things that always get stuck in your teeth, make your gums bleed. I'd never used that, and I never liked it at all. So water flosser is definitely the way to go. And this is a Waterpik that I have here, and I'm gonna link actually both of these in the description below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm gonna tell you the quote of the day. So here are the other top 6 things I use for oral hygiene. The organic bamboo toothbrush. This is a eco-friendly, extra soft, and they actually have charcoal in the bristles as well. And the charcoal powder absorbs and removes stains from your teeth and give you a clean and kissable mouth. And the best part is these toothbrushes are biodegradable and go back to the earth within 2.5 years. But if you don't like manual brushing, I actually personally use the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean, and this removes up to 10 times more plaque and improves your gum health up to 7 times in 2 weeks. But the only downside of this is the removable brush heads may be a little costly, but it's well worth it since it comes with 2 in the packaging as well anyways. Another thing to improve your oral hygiene is to use Hello Activated Charcoal Infused Floss. You can technically use any floss, but I like this one because it technically helps you remove plaque, contains xylitol, which is made with a natural vegan wax. If you don't like floss like me, I would highly recommend the water flosser. Like I said before, I use the Waterpik, as you can see this picture on the screen. The next item I actually like to talk about is a whitening toothpaste. I like Marvis, but in general, any whitening toothbrush will do you good to keep those pearly whites white. And on top of that, you want to end off with Listerine to kill 99% of the germs and kill all the tartar. And then you'll have a fresh breath to kiss anyone you want. So the quote of the day is, even in the moment of difficulty, I will never give up. I know success comes with consistency. I know I will make it and things will get better, as challenges will not stop me and everything I deserve is coming my way. And just always remember that.